The Samsung's 2018 lineup of QLED TVs are here, and while they deliver great picture quality as well as other techie features, what really stands out for me is how functional and user-friendly they are. Let me explain. Getting all the techie bits out of the way first, the new lineup includes top-of-the-line flat Q9F and the Q8F. They're both available from 55 inches up to 88 inches, so if you have a big house, you might want to go full out and get the top-of-the-range one. They both offer direct full array technology as well, which I'll explain just a little bit more in a minute. There's also the flat Q7F, Q6F and a curved Q7C. The Q7 series will be available in the 55 to 75 inch variants, and the Q6F in 49, 55, 65, 75 and 82 inch variants. So you have a lot of options available no matter what your room size is. All the new QLED lineup will be HDR10 plus compatible. So in case you're wondering what the benefits are with direct full array backlighting system, it brings you deeper blacks, shadow details are maintained as well without sacrificing highlight detail quality. You get full HDR contrast and 100% color no matter what the environment is that you're watching it in. Elsewhere you get anti-blooming tech to control halo blooming effect and anti-reflection to reduce mirror effects. With all this tech you get better viewing experience whether you're watching the TV with lights off in the dark or bright daylight with the sun blazing through the window. Where the 2018 QLED TV lineup really stands out for me is how Samsung have developed them with the user experience in mind. You get ambient mode, which takes your TV from just being a standard black slab in your living room when not in use to something more useful. You can display your favorite artwork on your TV, you can adapt to your environment displaying different things depending on the weather or the time of the day, for example. You can just have vital information on there like your calendar displayed or your to-do list, for example, or the latest news. You can also have your favorite music playing in the background and a lot more. So if you want to find out more about those stuff, do check out Samsung's website, which I'll leave links to in the description area, plus the article that we put up on GadgetsBoy. Next, you get a better cable management system as well, which I really like. So with a single, thin, strong cable, you can easily connect to your back of your TV and reduce cable clutter. And that single cable will carry all the signals needed without compromising on any connectivity options. Finally, it's all about installation here. So the installation process is made so easy that anyone can do it now. You don't really need a professional engineer to do it. So besides the hardware installation, you also got software installation and the setup process. So using the SmartThings app on your phone, which is available on iOS or Android, you can easily use it to set up your TV and log into your favorite apps like Spotify without having to remember your login information. A new wall mounting system as well means you have zero gap between your TV and your wall, so it's nice and seamless. You can also align your TV using your fingers. If you want to straighten it up, you can just push it. You can also tilt it as well to make sure it's in the right position. That's totally suitable for your viewing experience. One other thing that I really like is Bixby integration, which means you can interact with your TV using voice commands. So for example, you can say stuff like play all the videos that I took today or show all the pictures that I took today on my smartphone on my TV, and that would happen very easily, smoothly, without any issues at all. You can also use this to connect to your Internet of Things devices like your lighting system, your doorbell, even your smart fridge if you got one from Samsung. For a better user experience, once you're all set up, you get a universal guide for easily finding your favorite programs from all various kind of different content sources like Netflix, Amazon and so on. You got TV Plus app for delivering the best and latest 4K content for your 4K TV. After all, you've spent a lot of money for 4K content. With ambient mode though, it begs the question, what about power consumption and burn-in issues? Samsung said it will cost you less than $1 a day, and you can even set the timer to turn it off after a while. And for burn-in issue, you get lifetime guarantee, so burn-in is no problem at all here. So if you're a gamer, you don't have to worry either. Samsung have also partnered with Xbox engineers to ensure the best gaming environment. For example, you get a gaming mode which ensures all resources are enabled for the best lag-free fast frame rate gaming experience you can get. Anyway guys, do let me know what you think in the comments below. All information that you require will be in the description area, so do check it out, including purchase and all that stuff. In the meantime, I'm Tommy, you're watching GadgetsBoy. Catch you guys in the next one.